Hey guys, I'm Jerry. You're watching 3D HP. Let me run my intro and I'll show you what else I got in the mail. Well, I got a couple cool products in the mail the other day from Wham Bam, and here is their slap mat. Designed in Florida, made in China. Let's open it up and check it out. This will be perfect to use underneath my resin printer. If you get any kind of spills on it, you can wipe them up real easily. You can take a UV light and dry them and pull them off. If you have a soldering project and you get solder on it, or the soldering iron should bump it within a reasonable amount of time, it will not damage it. If you're building a printer and you don't want to lose screws, and we all have lost screws and dropped them on the floor, you can set this mat in front of your printer you're building and keep all your parts on it. If you're painting, you can keep paints on it. It will help keep paint from getting all over everything. Well, here we got a couple cool stickers. Wham Bam. Nice. Smells like rubber. Smells good. And I guess if it's raining outside, you could use it as a hat. You know, you want to go check the mail and you don't want to get your hair wet. Throw on the slap mat and go check the mail. But yeah, it says Wham Bam right on it. Really cool. Let me go over to their website and let's take a look at them on their website. Slap mat and accessories. Here's your slap mat. Current price is $19. You can buy a single or a 3-pack. It's 100% first grade silicone. It says, and will not be harmed by printer's resin, most chemicals, and most glues. Stop working with resin on cardboard and paper towels. Throw away the toxic gooey mess after each cleanup. But yeah, it looks like it'd be perfect just about everything. The dimensions are 240 millimeter by 500, which is 9.5 inches by 19.7 inches. And they got different examples here. Transferring resins, keep spills up. You can buy 3 mats for multiple printers or have 2 side by side. Perfect little companion to go with your resin printer, your printer projects, your painting projects, or your soldering projects. But here's a close-up of the mat. My Elegoo Mars will fit perfect on this. And if I get more than one, I could use one for painting projects, and I'm working here at my desk and not my paint station. If I'm building a printer, this would be perfect to put parts on and screws. It's got a nice little lip to catch resin, spills, paints. The screws won't run off of it. And let's see how well it works with resin and a UV light. Put a little resin on it. Well, it didn't completely harden it, but it wiped right up and it's good to go. And something else that'd be good for the slap mat. If you live in some parts of the country, they got some giant ass bugs like Texas, big old Texas fly, just bend it in half and slap that bug. Anyway, got a lot of good purposes. You know, it could be used for a lot of things you could use this for. Well, that's about it, guys. This is probably one of my shortest videos ever that I've ever done, but it's for the Wham Bam Slap Mat. If you would like a link where you can find this, there's a link in the description below where you can find it. Go to their website, and they got some other cool projects. They got flexible build plate systems. They got their hot box. They got slap mats. A lot of great products. So please like, subscribe, share the video, ring that bell to be notified the next time I go live or do a live stream. Thank you very much, and happy printing.